What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Sabran, and if you want to learn health and beauty tips, then please subscribe below. So I know it's been a few days, but I recently put box braids in my hair, and it's just something that I've always wanted to do, but I didn't want to pay the money for. Here in Indiana, it costs like $150 to get box braids in, and I didn't know if I would really like them, so I was like, you know what? Let me just pay for the hair myself and do it myself. That way I'm not spending, over $100 if I don't like it. So that's what I did. It took me 10 hours to put them in my hair. Okay, 10 hours. And then I took them out 3 days later. Why? Because my scalp was burning, itching, irritated to the max. Like, I just can't. I can't. So for those of you that have braids and get braids constantly, like, I gotta give you a round of applause because I cannot, okay? Like, I literally wanted to rip my hair out. So I took those out, and I'm not too upset. Yes, it took me 10 hours, but at least I didn't spend $150 to get it professionally done and just to take it out a few days later, So, I mean, it is what it is. So yesterday I got my first DevaCut. And I know that in my first video I had said that I did not want to get a DevaCut, and the only reason why I said that was because all the DevaCuts that I've ever seen, I felt like they had like the curly bangs across the forehead with the short layers, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, it's cute for some people, but I didn't think it would look good on me. So I'm like, if that's what a DevaCut is, then I don't want it. But then I came to the realization that you don't have to get that hairstyle. Duh. So anyways, I decided to go ahead and schedule an appointment with a hair salon that specializes in DevaCuts, okay? So just to let you know, there are Diva certified stylists, and you want to be sure that the stylist that you go to is Diva certified, or else they may not cut your hair correctly. As you guys can tell, I did go darker with my hair color. The hair color that I had was like an orangey yellow. You guys saw on the previous videos, like it was pretty bad. So yeah, I just had to color over that, and I actually feel like my hair is a lot healthier since I did that. I don't know, maybe it's just because I got the cut and that's what made it healthy, but I feel like now my curl pattern is better, and I don't know, I'm feeling it. The color that I got is like a reddish brown color, and I just feel like it blends better with my skin tone, and yeah. So anyways, I had told the stylist to cut my hair a few inches shorter. I was gonna go even shorter, but she was like, honestly, your hair isn't that damaged. So if you just want to cut off a few inches, like, you would have a good start to your curly hair journey. So I was like, all right, bet. So she cut off a few inches. She obviously gave me layers. I don't know, I'm really feeling it. I mean, y'all feeling it? Okay, I digress. So I wanted to tell you guys about my DevaCut and how much I loved it. I paid a total of $150, including the tip, for the cut, style, and color. Now, I didn't necessarily have to get it styled, but I know that they used all DevaCurl products, and I haven't really used DevaCurl on my hair besides the the light defining gel or something like that. I used that and that was okay, but I was like, you know what, go ahead and style my hair, because if I end up liking the product, then I'll buy it, even though it's a little costly. And I do like it. She didn't really put a lot of product in my hair, so I kind of need to refresh it as of right now, but I mean, it doesn't weigh down my hair. It's super lightweight. I felt like it defines my curls, so I might invest in it, but again, it's a little pricey, so we gonna see. But the second part of this video, I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my curls. Now, just to remind you, I am learning how to refresh my curls. This is the start of my transitioning to natural curly hair journey, so I am still learning, but this is how I do it as of right now. So what you will need, of course, is water, because water is good for curly hair. I mean, hydration, and then I actually put what I put in here, leave-in conditioner. Yep, leave-in conditioner from As I Am. I just put a little bit in there, shook up the water bottle, and got a little diluted conditioner in here. So what I'm going to do is section my hair off. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm using natural lighting, so the sun is going down, so the light might come up in my face, but just ignore. Anyways, so I'm going to section my head. Ooh, I got a tangle already. That's just, it's not okay. I don't know what's going on there. So I'm gonna take my little water bottle and I'm just gonna spray it, you know. Kinda sprayed too much maybe, but it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, and then, you know, you're probably not supposed to run your fingers through your hair, it's just gonna break up my curls, but we're learning here, okay? We are learning. So we're gonna do that, and we'll do it to the other side. And now I have to refresh my curls every day. I only wash my hair about every 6 to 7 days right now, just because I'm trying to get my hydration back, but I do have to refresh them every day because they are dry. I constantly have to hydrate. Sorry, I had to adjust the lighting there. So anyways, I wet the first layer with water and conditioner, and then I ran through my hair with this curl cream from Mielle Organics, which is bomb, by the way. Second layer, do the same thing. Just gonna spray, spray, spray. Spray, spray, spray. Alright, so I sprayed that. I hope the color's not getting on my shirt, because you know how like when you dye your hair and then the color still comes out for weeks on end. And then again, I am going through with the Mielle curl cream with Babassu oil. Babassu? What is that even? Babassu. I don't know. Alright, so you just go a little scrunchy scrunch. Scrunchy scrunch. And now I'm gonna end with the last layer. Cause again, we're just gonna do 3 cause ain't nobody got time. And see, I feel like I done used too much cream already. It's really weird because I feel like my hair is thick, but then, I don't know. If I put even just medium amount of product in it, it just goes kaput. Kaput. What does that even mean? I'm just gonna use a little bit more cream to top it off. Again, I'm just using a little bit. This cream is really thick and oily, hence the Babassu oil. So like you literally can't even see it on my hand. It's like a glaze. And the reason why I'm doing that is because again, I try to make my hair last 7 days, so I don't want to drench it and saturate it with product if I'm going to be refreshing my hair every day, you know? You gotta be smart about those things. I'm gonna flip my head upside down and get some more volume. Whew. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. And then you could put, if your hair is really dry, a little oil on it, or a little curl refresher spray. And yep, refreshed curls. Alright, my curly beauties, so that concludes the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all the above, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Alright, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like. That's the same thing, isn't it? Ooh, child. My curls are popping though. Okay. Okay. Yes, hunty. You better. Oh, go best friend. That's my best friend. You better.